Welcome to our review of the Logitech MX Keys S wireless keyboard. Today, we'll explore the top features of this premium keyboard designed for ultimate productivity and comfort. Fluid typing experience. Type with confidence and speed with spherically dished keys shaped for your fingertips, minimizing the chances of a mistype, while increased key stability reduces noise. Automate repetitive tasks. Smart Actions on the Logi Options Plus app allows you to skip repetitive actions by automating multiple tasks with a single keystroke. Requires Logi Options Plus app, available for Windows and macOS. Connect with up to 3 devices. Easily switch between up to 3 devices at the push of a button. Compatible with Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, Linux, iPadOS. Multi-computer, one flow. Enable Flow with MX Master 3S to work on multiple computers and cross-OS transfer text, images, and files between them. Just copy on one, paste to the other. Smart illumination made smarter. Backlit keys light up when your hands approach the keyboard and automatically brighten or fade to suit your environment. Ergonomic design. The low-profile design and optimum angle for a natural wrist position provides effortless precision and longer hours of typing comfort. USB-C quick charging. Stays powered for up to 10 days on a full charge. Charge while you work using the included USB-C charging cable. Wireless connectivity. Seamless wireless connection via Bluetooth Low Energy or the included Logibolt receiver. The keyboard is not compatible with other Logitech USB receivers. Elevate your typing experience and enhance your productivity with its quiet typing, customizable shortcuts, and premium features. Check out the link in the description to get your hands. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.